Today I received Amazon Pay ICICI Bank Credit card. We'll see.
ಹೇಗಿರುವಿ ನನ್ನ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜ್ ಸಹೋದರಿ ಹಾಯ್ ಸೊ ಸಡನ್ಲಿ ಚಹಾ ಕುಡಿಯುವುದಿತ್ತು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಚಹಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಚಹಾ ಇತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ಸಹೋದರಿ
Let me unbox what is there inside. Okay, coming to the Amazon Pay ICICI Bank Credit Card offers, if you are a Prime account, you'll get a 5% rewards points on spending of money from Amazon. So if you are not a Amazon Prime account member, you'll get a 3% flat reward points on mobile, groceries and more, and for 2% cashback reward points for paying payment, traveling and adding money. For example, if you pay a bill through this credit card, you will get a 2% flat 2% rewards point over Amazon Pay account and wallet, and the same applicable for flight and wallet. And for outside Amazon, if you purchase anything like food item or medicines or OTT subscription, you will get a 2% of flat rewards point and 1% flat reward points for all other each payments. And for example, here it is shown how flat 3% works. Like 50, if you spend 50,000, you'll get 1,500 rupees reward points, that is equal to 1,500 rupees. If you spend 40,000, equal to 1,200 reward point, that you can purchase anything from the Amazon site. And for 5,000, you'll get 150 reward points equal to 150 rupees. That's it. If you wish, you can upgrade to Prime account for getting additional 5% instead of 3%. You'll get a 5% reward points, and you can enjoy and you can utilize that points in Amazon Pay balance. Whenever you purchasing through Amazon, it's automatically detect from that. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.